हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। तो बेटा डी फॉर्म फर्स्ट ईयर स्टूडेंट्स के लिए ये मैंने 150 MCQ जो कवर किए हैं। इसमें क्या है, पार्ट 1 में हमने 76 MCQ कवर किए थे और पार्ट 2 जो है हमारा अब इसमें जो 77 से रिमेनिंग MCQ बचे हैं अब हम उनको कवर करते हैं। जिस लोग ने भी इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। हम स्टार्ट करते हैं। देखो, फॉलोइंग पार्ट of Crocus sativus is called as saffron. The correct answer is stigma and upper part of style. पूछ रहा है कि फॉलोइंग पार्ट दे रखे हैं किसके, क्रोकस सटाइवस, जो कि हम क्या कहते हैं, इज कॉल्ड एज सेफ्रॉन। तो क्या है, स्टिग्मा एंड अपर पार्ट ऑफ स्टाइल इज करेक्ट आंसर। नेक्स्ट, प्रोटोक्रोसिन is a precursor of taste, odor and color of the saffron. It is. The correct answer is tetraterpene glycosides. Next, umbelliferous fruits are, पूछ रहा है umbelliferous fruits क्या होते हैं, are, तो क्या, सीजोकार्प्स। umbelliferous fruits are सीजोकार्प्स. Next, the number of vitae in cremocarp of fennel is, the correct answer is 12. पूछा नंबर ऑफ विट्टे कितने होते हैं इन क्रीमोकार्प ऑफ फेनल में, ठीक। नेक्स्ट, इफ एंडोस्पर्म इज कॉनकेव ऑन कॉमिसरल सरफेस इट इज कॉल्ड एज सीलोस्पर्मॉन्स फ्रूट्स। एग्जाम्पल पूछ रहा है इसके, तो करेक्ट आंसर इज हेमलॉक। नेक्स्ट, it is difficult to make powder of coriander due to presence of endosperm cell. Next, bud-like odor of green plant is due to trans didecain 2-al-1. It is found in, the correct answer is coriander. Next, anthol is a sweet odorous constituent of volatile oil of, the correct answer is fennel. There are 20 to 40 small vitae on dorsal surface of cumin. Correct answer is cumin. पूछ रहा है 20 से 40 स्मॉल विट्टे ऑन डोर्सल सरफेस किस पे होते हैं, किसके पे होते हैं, क्यूमिन पे, केरवे पे, डिल पे, एनाइस पे, तो करेक्ट आंसर इज क्यूमिन। नेक्स्ट, स्टार एनाइस फ्रूट्स बिलोंग्स टू फैमिली, द करेक्ट आंसर इज मैग्नोलिसिए, मैग्नोलिसी। नेक्स्ट, जाटामांसी इज यूज्ड इन, द करेक्ट आंसर इज hysteria. Next, following type of calcium oxalate crystals are found in the hypanthium of clove. The correct answer is prisms. Next, eugenol is used for the synthesis of, the correct answer is vanillin. Next, major chemical constituent of volatile oil of Ocimum sanctum is, the correct answer is eugenol. किसका समझ आया क्वेश्चन, देखो क्या पूछ रहा है, मेजर केमिकल कंस्टेंट ऑफ वोलेटाइल ऑयल ऑफ Ocimum sanctum is, the correct answer is eugenol. Next, in higher doses, nutmeg is toxic due to myristicin. Next, maize gives following color with alkali or sulfuric acid. The correct answer is yellow. Valerian is used in hysteria, insomnia, palpitation of heart. All of these are correct answer. Indian valerian is considered superior to European because valley portraits are 3 times more is correct answer. Next, allicin is active up to following dilution against pathogenic gram positive and gram negative bacteria. The correct answer is 1 is to 10,000. Next, garlic is useful in chronic bronchitis. Next, pyrethrum is a contact poison for. The correct answer is all of these. Next, cantharidin is used in. The correct answer is hair tonic preparation. Colophony is classified as. The correct answer is acid resin. Next, Podophyllum belongs to family. Podophyllum belongs to family Barbidaceae. Next, active constituent of Podophyllum is useful in treatment of carcinoma. Next, resin content of Indian Podophyllum is 8 to 16%. Next, with sulfuric acid, curcuma shows following color. The correct answer is red. Curcuma means होता है curcuma longa मतलब हल्दी. Next, boric acid gives following color with turmeric paper. The correct answer is red. Next, following alkaloid is useful as bioavailability enhancer. The correct answer is piperine. Next, shape of Arjuna bark is. Arjuna bark की shape पूछ रहा है. The correct answer is flat. Next, cyanogenetic glycosides give following test positive. The correct answer is Grignard agent. Next, gentian is used as. The correct answer is bitter tonic. Chirata is important ingredient of Hing Vastucharna. Next, Picroiza belongs to family Sclophyllaceae. Next, Picroiza is useful in jaundice. Next, Kalmeg belongs to family Acanthaceae. Andographolide is the active constituent of Kalmeg is the correct answer. Next, Sorelia coralifolia is useful in leukoderma. Rutin is used in capillary phlebitis. It has following vitamin like action. The correct answer is P. Next, on hydrolysis, Galtarin gives methyl salicylate is the correct answer. Next, the word alkaloid was first coined by W. Mason in the year. The correct answer is 1819. Next, Van Urgresent gives purple color with. The correct answer is ergot alkaloids. Next, Vitali Morin reagent gives bright purple color with किसके साथ देता है? The correct answer is tropane alkaloids. Next, following one is a liquid alkaloid. The correct answer is nicotine. Next, lobelia is useful as respiratory stimulant is the correct answer. Next, leaves of lobelia Nyctenifolia have following shape ovate. Following type of abundant calcium oxalate crystal are found in belladonna. The correct answer is microsphenoids. Next, cuticle found on epidermis of belladonna leaves is correct answer is striated. Next, hyoscyamine has following type of activity. The correct answer is parasympathothylating. Next, choose the drug which contain alkaloids derived from ornithine. The correct answer is valeriana rhizome. Next, which of the following reactions are specific for alkaloids? Lieberman-Burkhard reaction is the reaction are specific only for alkaloids. Next, which of the following reactions are specific for cardiac glycosides? The correct answer is Bontrager reaction. Next, which of the following reactions are specific linked to the presence of the alpha and beta unsaturated gamma lactones? The correct answer is Xanthidrol reaction. Next, select the lysine derived alkaloid from the following list. Styrene is the correct answer. Next, select the tryptophan derived alkaloids from the following list. The correct answer is quinolizidine. Next, which of the following alkaloids drug play a significant worldwide role in pharmaceutical industry? The correct answer is Vinca minoris herba. Which of the following is used as cuticle remover? The correct answer is trisodium phosphate. Next, the quantity of coca leaves is mainly dependent on which of the following constraints? The correct answer is agonin. Next, anomocytic type of stomata are found in the leaves of. The correct answer is foxglove. Next, the most effective methods to produce virus-free plant is. The correct answer is meristem culture. Next, amigaidlin on hydrolysis. The correct answer is mandalonitrile plus glucose. Next, a Ramanoglycosides on hydrolysis gives a glycone, ribose or ramenose is the correct answer. The pungent principle present in ginger is. The correct answer is gingerol. The possible adulterant for foxglove leaves is Verbascum thapsi is the correct answer. Next, panaxdiol is a constituent of ginseng. Next, aconite is belongs to which of the following alkaloids? The correct answer is terpenoidal. Ephedra sinica and Ephedra equisatina can be distinguished by. The correct answer is scaly leaves. Next, powder digitalis is dried at temperature. The correct answer is not exceeding 60 degrees Celsius. Next, Bontrager test is performed for identification of. The correct answer is dianthron of rene. Next, the extraction of steroidal saponins on commercial scale is formed. The correct answer is Dioscorea. Next, the plant hormone which shows specific effect on cell division is. The correct answer is cytokinins. Next, crude fiber value of drug is a measure of. The correct answer is abscisic acid. Next, micropropagation of the plant is carried out through. The correct answer is plant tissue culture. Next, leaves of Digitalis purpurea give positive test for. The correct answer is Murex test is the correct answer. Beta, thank you for watching my channel. बेटा मैक्सिमम से मैक्सिमम लोग ट्राई करें, मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें एंड सपोर्ट करें। बेटा ऐसे ही मैं एमसीक्यू कवर करूँगा जिससे आपके डिप्लोमा में पास होने के लिए आपको आसानी हो जाए। बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट एमसीक्यू कवर कर रहा हूँ। थैंक यू सो मच।